Hello there! Are you exploring job opportunities in the bustling city of Hyderabad? Well, you're in the right place. We bring you a fantastic opportunity from Asan Jobs. We're looking for Amazon associates, specifically in the role of picker and packer at HYD 8 location. This opportunity is exclusively for females between the ages of 19 and 30. Now, let's talk about qualifications. If you've completed your SSC, Inter or have higher qualifications, you're a perfect fit for this job. As for the salary, you can expect to earn between 17,000 to 23,000. This includes incentives, ESI, PF, and medical insurance. The interview date? We'll update you soon on that. Just remember to be there at 10:30 a.m. sharp. The job location? It's in the beautiful Madhura Nagar, Shamshabad, Hyderabad. Just to make things easier, we'll provide you with a Google Map link. Now let's talk about the work schedule. It's a rotational shift, which means you could be working either day or night. The morning shift starts at 8:30 a.m. and ends at 6:30 p.m. The night shift, on the other hand, starts at 7 p.m. and ends at 5 a.m. Don't worry, we've got your commute covered. Bus transportation is available, although it's limited to certain locations. You'll be working 5 days a week with 2 days off, and your duty will be of 10 hours. Remember to bring along your resume, Aadhaar card, and bank and SSC memo for the interview. And hey, if you have friends looking for similar opportunities, don't forget to refer them. So, to summarize, we're looking for female Amazon associates between the ages of 19 and 30, with at least an SSC or Inter qualification. The job comes with a salary range of 17 to 23,000, including incentives, and offers benefits like ESI, PF, and medical insurance. The location is in the scenic Madhura Nagar, Shamshabad, Hyderabad, with rotational shifts and a 5-day work week. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Apply today and step into a rewarding career with Amazon. Best of luck. Regards, Asan Jobs.